if you're not on Instagram, you're just missing out. And funny you asked, like, earlier I mentioned before I got involved in this multifamily group,
Yeah.
I wasn't even on Facebook, right?
Right.
Well, about a year ago, I've been going to a bunch of entrepreneur conferences, and they were not related to real estate. And they were all saying, if you're not on Instagram, you're just missing out. And I'm an old school business guy. Like, I'm used to like getting on a plane, flying someplace, shaking somebody's hand, or at least over the phone. So Instagram, I always thought, I've got 2 teenage kids, a junior in high school and a freshman in college. And I saw them, from middle school up using Instagram. And I just thought it was like a picture tool, right? And I couldn't see how to use it for business. But I kept hearing it over and over again. So kind of like what I did with the multifamily business, I said I wanted to get into large scale multifamily. I went and found a group that had done it, right? So Instagram, I went to a conference, and I said to my wife, I said, when I go to this conference, and I also said to my men's group that I'm a part of, I said, I'm going to this conference, and one of the main goals is I want to meet somebody at this conference that is strong in Instagram, and I want them to teach me. And sure enough, I met somebody, and I ended up hiring him to consult with me. I just told him I have no idea how to do this.
Yeah.
And so I consulted with him for, I don't know, a month or so, and maybe one call a week, maybe for a month or so. And he helped me get started.
Good for you.
And it was very uncomfortable at first. He was like, you have to post every day. And I'm like, what am I going to post about? And so that routine about reading the Bible, after I read the Bible and business book, now it's just habit. I post to Instagram right after. So it's like brushing my teeth. Brush my teeth, read the Bible, post to Instagram. But the first month and a half, 2 months of that was uncomfortable. But now I've met so many great people out of it. So I realized there are some people, there's going to be haters. There's going to be some people that are going to criticize for doing certain things. But I've met so many great people. I have a guy from Spain who called me and like wants to invest in multifamily, Chicago, Las Vegas, all over the country. I never would have met these people had I not put myself out there. So I think it's a fantastic tool.